Varnish showcases wood's natural beauty while providing protection, but historically, varnishing requires days of work. TotalBoat Gleam 2.0 is a marine-grade varnish that's easy enough for novice woodworkers to use, but offers the beauty and protection a seasoned boat builder expects. Many varnishes require a full day to dry between coats, but in ideal conditions, you can overcoat Gleam in only 1 hour, so many coats can be applied in a single day. Unlike traditional varnishes, there's no need to sand between coats. Simply apply, let dry, and reapply. Gleam delivers a higher build per coat compared to other varnishes, and superior UV protection. It's self-leveling and provides excellent flow-out without needing to be thinned. So, great results are easy to achieve. Everyone can beautify and protect wood simply with Gleam.